Turn around, Peacocky. Wait, stop. Show off. Go, buddy. Jump in.
Look it up.
Why was Mom freaking out?
Because he went too close to the hill. And you're crazy driving.
I'm not a crazy driver.
Yes, you are. Yes.
Hey, I am not a crazy driver.
Yes, you are.
Quinn, I'm not a crazy driver, right?
You are.
Can you tell the camera what day it is today?
It's my birthday.
How old are you?
I'm turning 7.
Was it a good day?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What was that big?
The fish. I saw it right coming down from there. It
Cool.
was coming up. It was like this big.
Everyone wave.
Everybody, can you see yourself?
Okay, everyone smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
What do you want? I do want William. I kind of thought. I'm the best hiker ever.
Are you?
Yep.
Who said?